Hey guys,
15
welcome back.
minutes,
Don't
starting
mind her.
now.
Well, Alexa, stop timer.
15-minute timer canceled.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
So, today we're going to be playing on my brother's account. So, I bought Bloxburg for him. I got the free house. I bulldozed it. Now I have $7,000. And I am going to build a house for him. Since he hasn't bought any of the Oh, I'm gonna rename that because that's not his name. But oh, I'm gonna go to house. Now, I bulldozed his whole house. I have $7,000. So I'm thinking about like a nice house. Walls. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna start here. About maybe like that. That's nice, I guess. Then right here will be where we walk in. Like, and then here. We'll have a double door there. Okay, so I'm trying to think things through. I don't know where the cat box. Go there. And there. Okay. So I guess we have a nice base. Build. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go with this one. Cancel. I'll start with like a. Well, I'll start with something now. Right now, I'll get with the doors later. Would that work? I can't rotate it. Oh, that's right. I need floor. Duh. Floor. Since this is his starter. Here, I'm just gonna do something real quick. No, not there. Shoot. Delete. Build. Okay, you can see that I'm not the best builder. Obviously. Now I'll do floor. Build. Floor. Oh my god, I can't. I hate it when you can't find anything. What? Oh, there it is. Okay, now I have a door there. Delete thing there. Wait, do I have a door there? Do I have floor there? Doesn't look like it. I'm pretty sure I do, though. Pretty sure I have floor. I'm pretty sure. What? Doesn't look like it. Now I'm trying. What the heck? I'm just setting a timer for how long I wanna. Well, in the beginning I set a timer for how long I wanna film. I'm thinking about like 50 minutes maybe. So I started a 10-minute timer. Floor right there. Oh. Build. walls. Boom. Build. Floor. T. Wait. Cancel that. Floor. Wait. Go back. From there. From there to there. To there. There. I think that's good. T. Do I not have floor? This is so stressful. Whatever. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I'll do floor later. Spending like a lot of money and I don't care anymore. Well, I'll go to doors. Let's see. Build walls. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. No. Cancel. Walls. Simple. Build. Build. Walls. There. Floor. Okay. I really don't know if there's... I guess it doesn't matter anymore, but I just can't get the... Actually... Oh, I have an idea, okay. Build one out there. First I'm gonna make like a bathroom. Right there, I guess? Is that slanted? Yeah, whatever. Now I'm gonna make like a bedroom connected like that. There. Kitchen will be here. Living room. Actually, no, I think the living room I'll have like. No. Like right there, I'm gonna go like that. Put the furniture there. Okay. And I'll have a kitchen over there. Okay, now this I think is turning out to be pretty good. Doors. Door there. A door there. And a door right there. And I'm gonna put a door right there. Okay. Now this is actually turning out to be pretty good. Roof. Let's see what roof I want. Maybe like that one? What? I just spent like $1,000, I think. Shoot! Never mind. Let's try this. There. Oh my god, this is like... Oh my gosh. I don't think this is working. Yeah, no. Cancel. No, that's not looking good. Can someone help me? I don't know how to do a roof. T? What the? Done. Okay, now do I push T? Oh my gosh, now it's getting rid of it. Please. That's probably not gonna work. I'll see you in the next video. This is not working. Alexa, stop timer. Bye. I'm just gonna make another video after this.